Hey guys, you ever been driving down the road and you see out in front of someone's house? I know you don't want to be a trash picker. Got it, good. But you see an old barbecue pit. Now this is the time of year you're gonna see a bunch of these old barbecue pits. Now this one here had a big pit in it. You know, when they wear out, you get pitted up. And I looked at this little frame and I'm like, hey, that's a barbecue pit. It's got nice strong wheels on it. Pretty stable, man. I mean, solid, based, free. Trash guy didn't want to pick it up. Handles, work table. Now this is going hillbilly out of style, right? But I just want to show you guys something that's just cooler than cool, man. So I can take, now look, you still got the burner over here, which I'm going to remove this because I can use it. Free, good price. So might not work. We'll try it. But now I want you to look at it. Now think. Table saw table. Woodworking table. Portable. Don't throw it away, man. That is cool. So I go into town, pick up the kids something, drive down the road and see one of these sitting out in front of someone's house at the trash, laying on its side. So lazy they didn't remove the briquettes, but you know, took the aluminum part out and threw it over in my recycle pile over there. What you guys are seeing out here, other than Katie, is a really cool work table. Isn't that nice? And the shaft on it looks like a 3/8 bolt, so standard lawnmower wheels fit right on it. You see one, pick it up, paint it, use it. You could mount a generator inside of it. You could put a table saw mount in there. You could carry your toolboxes out, work out in front of your car. Of course, you want to remove stuff like this, but you can set your tools on it, have your car sitting here and your hood open and all your tools, nice little work table, carry around. Hey, look for these. Don't waste them, don't throw them away. Not worth recycling, worth reusing. All right, guys, y'all be good.